Welcome back. You're still tuned into Power Breakfast. Now, we've gone through the global market setup, but let's now talk about all of the domestic cues that you should track, as well as some of the individual stocks that can react to some news flow that came through. So we have Vivek and Surbhi joining us to prep us up for this trading session. Guys, a very good morning to both of you. Vivek, let me come to you first. That key, cue that we were tracking from the US markets in terms of the inflation print is out of the way, but take us through everything that we should watch in terms of the cues today for our own markets.
Well, absolutely. Good morning. What we are looking at today is whether Nifty can sustain the rally despite, the kind of mixed cues that we are getting both in terms of data as well as in terms of the global equity handover. Like you mentioned, US markets gave a mixed close, but, oil prices yesterday, they cooled off marginally, but continue to remain, hovering around the 10-month highs. So WTI futures now closer to the $89 a barrel mark, and Brent futures now closer, slightly above the $91 a barrel mark. Yesterday, Indian markets, staged a very sharp recovery intraday, and the Nifty continued to hold above the crucial 20,000 level. The bigger story, of course, was that, there were fears whether the mid-cap and small-cap index that saw a sell-off in day before yesterday's trading session, whether that particular sell-off continues. While, they did see a bit of selling pressure, they too staged a very sharp recovery in the last hour of the trade, and that continues to remain the story, and that continues to remain the key trend that we need to watch out for today. The pharma stocks, especially the Nifty Pharma Index, was the top performer. And in terms of DII and FI activity, the trend continues. So DII continues to remain buyers, close to 850 crores of buying in the cash market yesterday. FI has, however, sold over 1,600 crores. Primary market activity continues to remain very buoyant. Two fresh IPOs today, Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services, as well as, Sami Hotels. Both of these IPOs open up for subscription today. RR Cable, that particular IPO, yesterday was day one. It was subscribed close to 25%. Asian markets and Gift Nifty, key to track today, mostly positive. So hopefully, we get a gap up start for our own markets today as well.
All right, let's see how it goes. For now, it is definitely indicating a good start, 45 points higher on the Gift Nifty. Vivek, thanks a lot for getting us all of those cues. Surbhi, coming to you now, take us through some of the stock-specific action that came through that we should, watch today.
Good morning. So the first one on my radar is Bombay Dyeing. They're going to monetize the land parcel at Worli for 5,200 crores, and they're going to sell this land to an arm of Sumitomo Realty. Next is Indigo. DGCA sources confirm that Indigo has been allowed to wet lease 11 A320 aircrafts. IRCTC, the company has signed an MOU with the Maharashtra State Road Transport Corporation to enable online bus booking services. Adani Enterprises, the Adani Wind gets certification for its 5.2 megawatt wind turbine generator. This certification will enable the company to start series for the global markets. Bajaj Healthcare, the company receives an establishment inspection report from the US FDA for its API manufacturing facility in Gujarat. Kirloskar Ferris, NCLT New Delhi approves a resolution plan for the corporate debtor Oliver Engineering. And lastly, NBCC, the company bags an order worth 180 crores from SAIL.
Okay, that is some important stock-specific news. Surbhi, thanks a lot for that entire list. We're going to watch for all of these in today's trading session.